Ever wondered why it's so hard to make habits stick? You start strong, but by day 3, you're back to your old ways. So, what's the real secret to creating habits that actually last? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. I'm going to reveal the science behind habit building and share the secrets that actually work. No gimmicks, just practical strategies. Step 1. Make it stupidly small. You know when you try to make a big change and go all in, only to burn out after a week. Yeah, that's what happens when you try to do too much, too fast. The secret to success here is making it stupidly small. Start with something so easy it's impossible to fail. For example, if you want to read more, don't aim for a whole book every day. Start with just one page. This makes it so simple you can't resist doing it. Now that we've got the first step down, let's dive into the second. Step 2. Attach it to an existing habit. Here's where habit stacking comes in. It's about taking something you already do every day, like brushing your teeth, and linking your new habit to it. For example, after I brush my teeth, I'll do one push-up. This makes the new habit feel natural and effortless. Now we have our foundation set up. We can move on to step 3, the 2-day rule. Here's something most people get wrong. It's okay to skip a day, seriously. If you miss a habit once, it's not a big deal. But here's the rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. Let's say you miss a day of working out. Don't beat yourself up. It's normal. But imagine if you let that slip-up extend into the next day. Now you've broken the habit. By sticking to the 2-day rule, you're giving yourself the chance to bounce back quickly and keep your momentum. Consistency is key, but we're not stopping there. Step 4. Make it rewarding. Here's the fun part. Your brain loves rewards. So, make it fun. When you track your habits, you're triggering your brain's reward system. Each little win gives you a dopamine boost, making you feel more motivated to keep going. And don't wait until the end of the month to treat yourself. Reward yourself after hitting smaller milestones. Maybe after a week of consistency. Watch a movie or grab your favorite coffee. By associating your habit with something positive, your brain will naturally crave the activity. Most people think motivation is the key to sticking with habits. But here's the twist. You shouldn't rely on it alone. Instead of waiting for motivation to strike, create a trigger that sparks it for you. When you have a consistent cue, motivation becomes automatic. You'll be amazed at how powerful this can be. So, to recap, make it stupidly small. Attach it to an existing habit, stick to the 2-day rule, and finally, make it rewarding. Put these together, and you'll be unstoppable. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to keep getting tips on building lasting habits. And let me know in the comments, what habit are you working on right now? Oh, and if you struggle with staying motivated, I've got just the thing for you. Check out this next video, where we dive deeper into how to stay on track no matter what.